Dear students, in the last video we had seen some problems on matrices. Now we are going to take some more problems on the same topic, that is matrices. The today's problems which are very very important for 5 marks category. Now I will take one example. That is, if f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, after that sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, show that f of x into f of y, which is equal to f of x plus y. Just observe the function f of x, which is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Show that f of x into f of y, which is equal to f of x plus y. What they are given? They are given a matrix in the form of f of x. What is our job? Our job is to show f of x into f of y. That is nothing but product which is nothing but function f of x plus y. Means in place of x, all the values should be in the form of x plus y. Here also x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. We have to do. Before that, solution given f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, after that sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, given matrix which is f of x. Now replace x by y, then f of y, which is equal to, what is our job? Cos y, correct? Cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. This is our f of y. But suppose if you replace x by x plus y, then ultimately get the value of RHS, but the process is very short. If the question is based on 5 marks, you should do taking the LHS and do it f of x plus y. Don't convert x replaced by x plus y, and it becomes very short. So you should take f of x, replace x by y, then all the values of x component becomes y component. Now consider the LHS f of x into f of y, which is nothing but, you write f of x value, that is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1 into f of y, cos y minus sin y 0, after that sin y cos y 0 0 0 1 0 0 1, which is equal to, then multiplication. What is the multiplication? First row, first column. Cos x into cos y, cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y, cos x into cos y, minus is there, minus sin x into sin y, 0 into 0 becomes what? 0. After that, sin x into cos y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, cos x sin y plus 0. Are you followed or not? Sin x into cos y, cos x sin y, 0 into 0. After that, cos x into 0, cos y into 0, 0, sin y into 0 plus 0, 1 into 0, as it is 0. As it is 0. You take first row, second column. Cos x, that is cos x sin y, cos x sin y, is minus is there, minus sin x cos y, 0, correct? After that, sin x minus sin x sin y, cos x cos y, cos x cos y plus 0. After that, 0 into cos y, that is exactly 0, 1 into 0, that is 0. After that, correct? Second row get over, sin x into sin y get over. After that, 0 into 0, second column, 0 into 0, 0, correct? Just observe, sin x minus sin y, cos y, cos x into cos y. After that, 0 into 0, 0 into 0. After that, 0 into 0, all are 0. You write it as 0, 0, 1 into 1 becomes 1. Correct? Just to observe, cos x cos y, cos x cos y, minus sin x sin y, minus sin x sin y, 0 into 0, over. After that, cos x minus sin y is minus cos x sin y, minus sin x cos y, minus sin x cos y, 0 into 0, 0. After that, cos x into 0, 0, minus sin x into 0, 0, 1 into 0, it is 0. You write it as simply 0. After that, just to observe, sin x cos y is sin x cos y, cos x sin y is plus cos x sin y, 0 into 0. After that, same second row and column. Second column, sin x minus sin y is minus sin x sin y, cos x cos y is plus cos x cos y, 0 into 0, 0. Or next, sin x into 0, 0, cos x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, like as simply 0. All the values becomes 0. After that, cos y into 0, 0, sin y into 0, 0, 1 into 0, it is 0. After that, minus sin y into 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct? These are the values, which is nothing but. What is the cos x cos y minus sin x sin y? You write it as simply as it is, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. After that, you take minus as common, minus common, then what happens? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, bracket close, as it is 0. Here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here you write it as cos x cos write it as first. Minus sign is negative. Write it as and the second part. Rest of the values should be 0, 0, 1. Correct? Close. Then you know in the first year, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B. In place of A we have x. In place of B we have y. Therefore it terms as cos of x plus y. Then you write it as, I will write here, which is the continuation of this part, which is equal to what? Cos of x plus y minus, we are taking minus common, sin of, this formula becomes sin A cos B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B. Correct? That is x plus y. Here there will be 0. After that, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of x plus y. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A plus B. 0. Here there will be 0, 0, 1. Which is nothing but what? All the x value becomes x plus y. X becomes x plus y. Sin x plus y. Cos of x plus y. Which is 0, 0, 1. Which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but f of x plus y. Which is nothing but f of x plus y. Which is nothing but our RHS. Therefore f of x into f of y, which is equal to f of x plus y. If you wish, you may take the formula cos of a plus b, which is equal to cos a cos b, plus here there will be plus minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b, which is equal to cos a cos b minus, here there will be plus sin a sin b. Just to remember, sin of a plus b, which is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. After that, sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. These are all some formulas that help us to solve the given problem. Here we are using cos of a plus b format and this format. These two are just your reference. Okay. This is the one important problem. It carries 5 marks. It carries 5 mark question. Next. Next problem is, which is also important for exam. I will take one problem as example. If capital A is equal to 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2 and capital I 1001, find K so that a square is equal to k times a minus 2 times identity. 2 times identity. This is one of the question. The question is to find the value of k. This k we have to find out. This k we have to find out. They are given some data. This is nothing but one of the equation. There is nothing but characteristic equation. With the help of this, our job is to find the value of that is k. K we have to find out. Solution. Now consider a square. A square is equal to a into a. How to find out a square? A square can be written in the form of a into a, which implies a square is equal to the value of a 3 4 minus 2 minus 2. After that a into a, same quantity you have to take for the multiplication. After that just to multiply. Correct? Multiplication is possible because of the same order. After that 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 into 3 9, minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus of minus plus 4. After that 4 into 3, that is 12. Minus 2 into 4, that is 8. 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus of minus plus 4. Once again you have to check out. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus of minus, that is plus 4. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus of minus, that is plus 4. This value becomes value which is equal to 9 minus 8 becomes 1. 12 minus 8 becomes 4. Minus 6 plus 4 becomes minus 2. Minus 8 plus 4 becomes minus 4. What is the value? This value is nothing but a square. Correct? Now consider a square is equal to k times of a minus 2 into I, which implies value of a square, that is 1 4 minus 2 minus 4. This is equals to k times the value of a. They are given in the form of matrix 3 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 k minus 2. 2 into value of the identity matrix is nothing but 1 0 0 1, which is also given, correct? After that, which implies you write as it is, that is the LHS and consideration of RHS. First our job is to multiply. Which type of multiplication it is? That is scalar multiplication. Correct? You know it is 3 into k, that is 3k. Minus 2k. After that 4 into k, that is 4 into k, 4k. Minus 2 into k. Correct? Then becomes simple matrix. After that here also multiplication, that is scalar 2 0 0 2. Correct? Now the RHS of matrix becomes difference of two matrices, which is also possible because they are of the same order. Now I will take 1 4 minus 2 minus 4 as it is, which is equal to difference of two matrices 3k minus 2. Correct? You write it as 3k minus 2. After that minus 2k minus 0. You write 0. 4k minus 0. You write it as 4k minus 0. Minus 2k minus 2. Minus 2k minus 2. Then these two matrices reduces to a single matrix. Then we have to use the concept of equality of matrices. Equality of matrices says corresponding component you have to equate. by equality of matrices, we have 3k minus 2, which is equal to 1. 3k minus 2 is equal to 1. Minus 2k is equal to minus 2. 4k is equal to 4. After that, minus 2k minus 2 is equal to minus 4. One of the thing is, these four equations are simple equations. Simple equations has only one solution because linear, and out of all the equations, answer should be single. That is nothing but unique solution because of simple equation. Now 3k minus 2 is equal to 1, which implies 3k is equal to 3. What is the value of k? K is equal to 1. Correct? If you take rest of the values, 4k is equal to 4, k is equal to 1. Minus 2k is equal to minus 2, k is equal to 1. Minus 2k is equal to, this value becomes minus 2, which is also 1. Therefore, if you take all equations, the answer should be 1. Therefore, you take only one equation for the value of k. Therefore, value of k should be 1. This is also one of the question.